demanding Iran open the Strait of Hormuz, calling the country's effective closure of the waterway dishonorable. In a separate post, the president pressuring Tehran to stop charging tolls for tankers to cross the strait. And the White House is warning employees against insider trading. An internal staff-wide email was sent following a series of well-timed and profitable bets around the president's military decisions in Venezuela and Iran. This is very interesting because we can all see the data about a number of massive trades that were put on at very interesting timings that paid off if you were to know potentially some information that the president was going to make in terms of Venezuela or Iran.
And I think the timing of this email is significant. It happened on March 24th, which was the day after all of this. The day before, to your point, the president said that he had productive conversations with Tehran, a pause in fighting, stock surge, and 15 minutes before that, you had huge amounts of trading. I think it's going to be interesting to see how this settles out with the likes of Polymarket and the other event betting kind of websites, because oversight for them is a little bit less, regulation is a little bit less. They've had problems before, and still a lot of these trades have been frozen by these platforms who are trying to figure out exactly how to handle them. They want more liquidity. Why would you trade on these things if you're just going to get a bunch of insider trading get done?
Right, exactly. It feels like if you're just anyone, it's going to be stacked against you. I know there's been so much talk about this with Iran, but remember Venezuela? A user gained roughly $450,000 on Polymarket, perfectly timed bet regarding the arrest and capture of Nicolas Maduro.
It also keeps happening. It happened with the Nobel Peace Prize too. Right before they announced the winner, you saw the contract surging for the eventual winner. It's these kind of sketchy things. Again, I get back to this idea of if you're a regular person, you don't have inside information, it looks less attractive to you.
And actually, it's becoming a campaign issue. Rahm Emanuel is talking about the fact that they need to ban anyone working in the government from betting on these kind of sites, Polymarket and Kalshi.
That feels pretty straightforward to me.
Yeah.
I feel like that probably wouldn't be controversial. You'd hope.
Probably not, but then Congress would need to vote on it.
True.
We'll see. All right, crude climbing back close to $100 a barrel.